Well, I got a quick tiny video for you guys. So this was my bed full of all my sweet potatoes. It's all dead. Horrible, hideous death and destruction. It was crazy. This week we had snow. In New Mexico, we got a bunch of snow. Just nuts. So everything's dead. Well, we'll get everything dug up here and the potatoes and everything else and show you what I got. And you guys can see what we actually produced. Get it all weighed and we'll see how much calories we got. And then I got corn that's all dried and go through all that. So you get to see how much my little areas grew. And then I got to tear a bunch of stuff down, get stuff weeded, pulled out, and get things ready for next year. Hopefully we're all alive still then. Take care, everyone. Read.